I used to have a guinea pig that ate lettuce. Like, love, 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 love. Oh, I hope nothing's fragile. Welcome to the You Beauty YouTube channel. I am Sarah Marie, a avid makeup lover and an ex-makeup artist of over 18 years, and this is Lucky Dip. Lucky Dip is a series where I get given this bag with 5 products in it that I don't know. I might love it, I might not. I created this look with what's in this. I feel like it's giving it away for anyone who knows me, whether I like this or not. Let's get straight into it. Let's see what's in the bag today. All right, I'm gonna just take it all out. Oh, I hope nothing's fragile. There was a palette. Okay, all right. Now, we have Rare Beauty. I love Rare Beauty. So this is a really good start. This is the Matte Bouncy Blush, the color Worth. It's right up my alley. Oh. Love, 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 love. e.l.f. is back in, e.l.f. for the win again. Okay, so the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is the color Light Beige. I learned from last time when I had lots of trouble opening it. I'm just gonna rip this bad boy up. And you know what I do like about these concealers? Look how fat. Look how fat the little stick is. It's so cute and chunky. It's like if Labubu was a concealer, that's what it would be looking like. Clarins. Oh, we're going in with some Clarins today. 01 Water Lip Stain. Oh, guys, you're killing me with these lip stains. The color is actually really pretty. It says Kiss Proof 01. Nude by Nature. Okay, one of my favorite brands. They have all natural ingredients. This is their Mineral Radiance Drops. This will be a nice one. This is something you can use on your skin or mix it with foundation. So I'm very excited to show you how I'm actually gonna use this. I already know what I'm gonna do. Okay, Revolution Streamline Eyeliner in Teal. Lucky for me, I've got eyelash extensions because the thought of doing this eye pencil without mascara gives me anxiety. So I've already got my pre-done mascara. I used to have a guinea pig that ate lettuce. Like, okay, all right, let's see if at least we can get an ASMR out of this one because, no, I can't even. Here we go. All right, we're done, it's open, Let's do this.
Let's go, girls.
So first things first, concealer. I am gonna put this on the inner corners of my eye only to start, just in case it's way too light. If you put like a little something there and maybe a little something here going up. And let's have a little play with this and see how it goes, shall we? Okay, so I'm going to put this on my inner corner because that's where I'm like darkest. So I wanna correct in here to get more of a fresher look. And I put the concealer on my outer corner going upward because I wanna lift the eye. I don't wanna have too much concealer and product on my face because this is gonna be quite a nude base. And if I put too much on my face, it's gonna look really off, especially if the color is too light. So at the moment, the darkness of my dark circles and the lightness of the concealer balance really well, but it might not balance as well on my cheeks. And then you can just pat that with your finger to blend. Just like lifts the eye, makes it look fresher. Let me do the other side. Now I'm gonna get a little bit of what's on my brush and just put that on my eyelid as well, because I'm gonna use that as my base before I put on the blush. So let's just run that down to my cheek so it has a nicer blending look. Now, time for Pearl. Let's give this a shake. I'm gonna assume it's gonna need a shake. I might be wrong, but I do find when you see highlighters and foundations in packaging that looks like this, it's usually because it's quite a liquidy texture and you need to give them a shake. So let's just shake, 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 shake. I'm gonna put on the back of my hand, my little artist palette, I'm gonna put some of this illuminator. Oh, it's so pretty, look at that. That is such a pretty color and such a lovely texture. That's very versatile. I think that's gonna suit a lot of skin tones, like different skin tones. Let's get a little bit of the concealer, not too much because it is a lighter shade to my skin, just a little bit there. Now, I am going to mix them together because I want the illuminator to have a little more coverage and I want the concealer to have a bit more glow and look a little bit more like a foundation. So I'm gonna mix the two together. And see, I feel like the color balances out. And then I'm going to put that onto my face. So starting on the cheeks, just patting it in. I think that's nice. I think that's like enough to even the skin tone out and look fresh and glowy. This is good. I'm gonna get a makeup sponge and just press that all in. When you use a makeup sponge, a moist makeup sponge, it can't be dry because then it's just gonna suck all your product up. So get a little bit of water. When you press that in, it melts the makeup into your skin and you can actually see here how much smoother and has more of a flow than this side. So this is actually a cream to powder blush. It's in the compact as a cream, and then as you apply it, it becomes a powder. I love that. Oh, you don't need much. My God, that's done. I'm just gonna get another blush brush that has literally no product on it. I'm gonna pat that over. Well, I'm gonna rub that over. I was gonna pat it. I think I need to rub it. Oh, that's better. There we go. That's nicer. That is the difference between blending your makeup and not blending your makeup. Whatever's left on this brush, I'm gonna just add a little bit on my eyelids. I'm not gonna put it right to my lash line. I'm actually gonna do it, see your socket, that line? I'm gonna get the blush brush and apply it there and go right up to my eyebrows. Oh, it's got a little brush applicator. That's cute and nerve-wracking. Why is it a brush? Is it because it's gonna be so strong? I am gonna take it easy this week with the lip stain because I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. I'm gonna pat a little bit of this lip stain on the center of my lip and go pat it and then just see what the color is gonna be. All right, this is gonna be an interesting one. This is the color teal, for those wondering. I'm gonna use an angled brush and I am gonna actually just use it on the outer part of my eye. I'm kind of gonna do a soft wing and just start light and build up from there. Okay, I think we can go much stronger than that. Like if you are new to using a colored eye pencil, I would just start little by little, get yourself like a little angled eyeshadow brush. You're always gonna use these anyway for other colors. Apply on the outer corner of your eye and then build your way in slowly. Being a pencil, it's much easier to play with than a liquid liner. Have a look. That is my teal wing. All right, so I'm gonna do my other eye. I'm just gonna do a quick one here. And then I'm gonna get my little brush, just make it a little sharper. I hate this color combination. I'm gonna make that very clear out there, and I would never do this unless I was doing like an 80s dress up, and then I would go like super bang pop color, fine with a perm. I would normally, if I was to pick anything, keep the liner, take off this cheek and lip, and put a bronzer on, a very like deeper bronzy blush, and put more of a muted like bronzy lip. I'd brown this up way more and have more of like a highlighter glow to this. I can't with this lip color. Sorry, the lip's gotta go. All right, let's wipe the lip off and let's put this illuminator on instead. Let's get the base brush, foundation brush. Let's take the red off my lips. Let's get this illuminator on my hand, onto my lips, and just see if that works a little bit better. Okay, I'm a bit more wishy-washy, but I feel like that is better than what I had before with this green eyeliner. All right, that's it for Lucky Dip this week. I think it's pretty obvious that I'm not loving this look. I would love to know your thoughts. Pop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We have so many videos every week that's coming out. So yeah, don't miss it, and I'll see you next week. Bye.